So hello friends, welcome to our channel. If you guys facing terms and conditions privacy policy, the server is under maintenance, please try again later 021. This error is showing in your Samsung TV or any other TV. So guys, you can watch this video till end because in this video I am showing why this problem is coming and what's the solution of this problem. So guys, you can watch this video till end. And if you guys new on my channel, you can like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos like that. So guys, if this error is coming in your Samsung TV, it means the smart TV is in the maintenance. And this is the reason why you are facing this error problem, and you are not only one. Many people facing this problem in Samsung TV worldwide. So guys, what is the solution? So you have to switch off your smart TV, then switch on, and sometimes this process will be worked, but if this is the server issue, then you have to wait for some time, some hours, then the server will automatically fixed by the Samsung smart TV team, and then this problem is automatically solved in your smart TV. So guys, you have to wait for some time, or you have to try to switch off then switch on your smart TV, or wait for some time. This problem is automatically solved by the Samsung team. I hope guys understand what I'm saying. Do you like this video? Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.